हमारे मार्केट नहीं, वर्ल्ड वाइड मार्केट्स नीचे हैं। हमारे से पहले हांगकांग हैंगसेंग खुलते हैं, जापान खुलता है और दोपहर में 1 बजे हमारे यहाँ वहाँ बंद होते हैं। वो जो इफ़ेक्ट है वो यहाँ दोपहर में 12:30-1 बजे आ जाता है, लेकिन उसी इम्पैक्ट से यूरोप खुलता है। सारे मार्केट्स इंटरकनेक्टेड हैं एक दूसरे से। एक सेंटीमेंट, एक एरिया वो ट्रैवल करते 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 फ्रॉम फार ईस्ट टू ईस्ट, फ्रॉम ईस्ट टू वेस्ट एंड फ्रॉम वेस्ट इन द नाइट टू द यूएस। दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ द इक्विटी मार्केट्स। अब द सिचुएशन विच हैज अराइजन इज यूएस government under Mr. Donald Trump instruction has bombarded very heavily 3 nuclear sites of Iran. Number 1, using B-2 bombers, which are stealth bombers carrying 18,000 kg payloads of bombs which can penetrate 200 feet below the earth. Yani कि even if there is hidden equipment in the bunkers in Iran, that has also been exploded. So, but the surprising part, Iran still maintains a defiance mode. Now, although our Prime Minister Modi and worldwide, President and the head of Iran have been advised to de-escalate war, because if we escalate war from this level, then the world will face World War III. Russia, Mr. Putin has remained silent so far on Iran. But apparently, China looks to be a supporter of Iran. China has not talked negative on this issue at all. Rather maintained a silence or a mildly positive stance. So, it is very, very important. It is very, very urgent and exigency basis. De-escalation happens. And a dialogue begins. Crude oil price today or morning only they were showing it has already gone up by $7 to $77. The gentleman next to me said it is now $80. And Iran has one trump card further left. It can prevent the movement of ships carrying crude oil through the Strait of Hormuz. So then ships have to divert. 25% traveling will increase. At the same time, cost will increase. But availability of crude oil from Iran itself will stop, because Iran will stop supplying crude oil. If Iran stops supplying crude oil and other West Asian countries who also have, the resource of crude oil are together with Iran, if they stop, where will the energy security of the world go?